Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of it's not working on your device. On the application of WhatsApp, you will click on settings. Here in this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list here you will scrolling down until you find this window of WhatsApp. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.